Deep cleaning on Acer Nitro 5A and 515-50J3 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Andrew, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning a laptop is a wise choice as it plays a crucial role in maintaining the device's performance. Reliability and longevity over time, dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the laptop, particularly around the cooling fans, vents, and heat sinks. This buildup can obstruct airflow, cause overheating, and lead to performance issues such as thermal throttling or even hardware damage if left unaddressed. It also helps to extend the lifespan of the laptop, minimizing the likelihood of costly repairs in the future. Whether the laptop is used for gaming, work, or general purposes, regular deep cleaning is a proactive and effective way to ensure that it continues to perform at its best. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.